Today is the second recipe for our Super Bowl kickoff. Okay, so with that being said, we are going to kick a field goal today with this Crockpot cheesy sausage Rotel dip. Okay, when I say easy, easy, simple, and the best part about it, it's going to be convenient. Okay, because you're going to put it in a crock pot and you leave it, you come back, bam, it's done. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So first off, you're going to need a pound of ground beef, which I have here, and I have a pound of mild sausage. You can use mild sausage, you can use hot sausage, or you can use one mild sausage, well, one regular sausage and one spicy sausage, but I'm gonna do ground beef and sausage. So you want to cook this completely. So I have my eye on high, and I'm just gonna cook this hamburger and cook this sausage together. So our hamburger and sausage is cooking really good. So you just want to cook this and just ground it up as it's cooking. So I'm just gonna finish allowing this to cook. Now that our ground beef and sausage has cooked completely, I have drained the excess grease off. So you're just gonna toss it over in your crock pot. Now, next, you want to add your ingredients. So, what I have here is 1/2 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm sorry, that's 1/2 a teaspoon of garlic powder. Not 1/2, but 1/2 of teaspoon garlic powder. I have 1/2 a teaspoon of minced dried onions. I have here, so the large can of Rotel, which you would need 20 ounces of the Rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies with the juice. So you want the juice. Toss that over in there. Okay. Excuse me. Next, you want to add your cream cheese, which you want to cut up in cubes, which you would need 2 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm getting tongue tied here. 2 8 ounces of cream cheese cut up into cubes. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of hot sauce. Add pepper. You don't have to add a lot of pepper. And I have some kosher salt here. I'm going to sprinkle a dash of salt on it as well, like that. And lastly, you want some shredded cheese here. And you just want to just sprinkle about a cup of shredded cheese. After you have added all your ingredients, you just want to mix this around like really good. Oh, it smells amazing. So after you have mixed it all together, you just want to place the top on it, and you can cook it on low for 3 to 4 hours, or you can cook it on high for an hour and a half to 2 hours. So me, I'm going to cook mine on low for 3 to 4 hours. So I have my crock pot set for 4 hours on low. So we're just gonna allow it to cook. Our dip has cooked for 2 hours, so we're just gonna stir it up. It looks really good. You just wanna stir it up, give it everything a good mix. The cream cheese has softened, so you want to give it a really good mix. Like that, and just place the top back on it and allow it to cook for the remaining 2 hours. It's been 4 hours since our dip has been cooked, so you just want to give it a small little stir. And you just want to add cheese on top. So I add some sharp cheese. I got some 4 cheese here, just a little bit of 4 cheese. And I'm gonna add the rest of this sharp cheese to it. And at this time, you can just turn your crock pot off and just let it sit and allow the cheese to melt. So once your cheese melts, your dip is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe of my crock pot cheesy sausage rotel dip. It is definitely a crowd pleaser. I've been tongue tied all day. So if you haven't subscribed, go make sure you go subscribe. Make sure your bell is on, that way you will not miss an upload, because this is my pre-Super Bowl week where I am giving you 7 different ideas of what you can cook for a tailgating Super Bowl party. So you definitely don't want to miss an upload. If you missed the one from yesterday, make sure you go check that one out, because that's a good one too. Okay, and make sure you go check the one that's coming up tomorrow. Anyways, I gotta go. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.